Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you a new recipe of eggplant bharta with fenugreek leaves. For making this recipe, I took half a bunch washed fenugreek leaves and two roasted black eggplant. After roasting, let it cool completely, then peel off the skin. Whenever you will roast the eggplant, apply some oil before roasting. Clean it properly and then cut into big pieces, or you can mash the eggplant. Let the oil heat up. After oil is hot, add 2 teaspoons chopped garlic cloves and 2 dried red chili. Saute for few seconds until it smells fragrant. Then add fenugreek leaves. Over medium to high heat, stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the mashed eggplant. It's not only delicious but also nutritious because of fenugreek leaves. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes and then add 2 to 3 chopped green chili. Stir continuously with spatula, then add a teaspoon salt and a roughly chopped onion. Over medium to low heat, cook for 3 to 4 minutes and combine the fenugreek leaves with chopped onion. Mash the eggplant and onion with spatula, then add 4 teaspoon oil. For making any bharta recipe, at last add some oil. Now put a lid. See, our yummy bharta recipe is ready for serving. It looks so appetizing. If you think my recipe is helpful to you, like, share.